Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Automated testing is an essential part of modern software development, and Python provides a built-in testing framework called unittest. While there isn't a direct equivalent of an auto-test feature in unittest, you can achieve similar functionality using various tools and techniques. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to set up an autotest-like environment for your Python unittests using unittest, unittest.loader, and a tool called watchdog. Before we begin, ensure that you have the following components installed. You can install watchdog using pip. An auto-test feature automatically runs your unit tests whenever there is a change in your code base, ensuring that your tests remain up to date as you make changes to your code. To implement this in Python, we'll use the following components. Let's create a simple Python project structure. Here's an example of a simple unit test for a function in my_module.py. Now, let's create a script that will automatically run our tests whenever we make changes to our code. Create a file named autotest.py in the project root directory. This script uses the watchdog library to monitor file changes in your project directory. Whenever a change is detected, it reloads the test suite and runs the tests again. To run the auto test, open a terminal and navigate to your project's root directory, then execute the autotest.py script. Now, whenever you make changes to your code in my_module.py or add new test cases in test_my_module.py, the tests will automatically run, and you'll see the test results in your terminal. Implementing an auto-test feature for your Python unittests can greatly improve your development workflow by ensuring that your tests remain up to date as your code evolves. By combining unittest, unittest.loader, and the watchdog library, you can create an auto-test-like environment that automatically runs your tests whenever your code changes, helping you catch and fix issues early in the development process. ChatGPT.